Is that okay? Oh, here we go again. The boss is replacing the battery. This is an iPhone 11, right? The battery doesn't last long. Has she already placed a group buy order? No order yet. She saw his video on Douyin and came over. How long will it take to repair it? About half an hour. Hey, beautiful. Has she had the phone battery replaced before? She previously reported that the battery didn't feel right. Then he'll replace it with a new battery. A better one, please. Okay. Will it last a couple of days? She's quite young. What year was she born? He's older than her. How long has he been doing this? Repairing phones? He's not quitting. He's been doing this for 15 years. Okay, let's get to work. Others aren't that young. She can't believe he's a teacher. Please fix it carefully for her. If he does a good job. She has some good friends. She'll introduce to him. A friend of hers also needs a battery replacement. He absolutely has to fix hers well. Go get some water. She's a little thirsty. Put it on hold? Guess what he bought for her? How did he know she likes green tea? She likes green tea, right? Let's try again after blowing her nose. Thank you. She's a little thirsty. It'll be quick. She's really chubby. He'll have some water first. It's really sweet. What to do? Look at the handsome guy. What time does he get off work? Almost time to get off work. Let's go get a late-night snack after work. He'll see if he has time. Let's add each other on WeChat. Let's talk after work. His technique is so professional. He gets off work so early. What does he do in the evenings? What does he usually do? He usually plays games when he gets home. What games does he like? King of Glory? Yes. He likes King of Glory. They can play together sometime. He's waiting for her. She heard and went down. If she gets off work early, she'll come find him. Okay. Sounds good. He thinks she looks like someone. A celebrity. Who? Lay Datu, do you know him? Who's Lay Datu? He's so smart, doesn't she know? This is the first time someone has complimented him like that. Can he take a picture with her later? Is that okay? Oh. Masks are 10 kwai. Oh. 10 kwai, right? Okay. Beautiful. Her phone is fixed. Please take it. This is a charger and screen protector as a gift. Please take it. Thank you.